Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your data stand out using the Canvas bar chart race. And if you want to have an animated bar chart, you can use the step that I'm going to show you. First, just open your Canva and on the homepage in here, click on this video format. And then I'm going to just go with this landscape video. Okay, so now after the canvas is open, you can just click on elements in here, and then on the search bar, just search for bar chart. This one, click on bar chart options, and in here, click on this drop down and change the type of chart into the bar chart trace. This one. Now you can see this is the example data. If you have your own data, you can just clear the data in here and then tap on add data and upload your data from Google Sheets or World Bank. The supported file type is Excel, CSV and TSV. But if you don't have it, you can just edit manually the data in Canva. So you can also manually adjust the settings. You can adjust the axis labels in here, the maximum visible bars, grid lines, legend. Okay, this one, and also the playback speed. Okay, so if you want to preview the result, you can just play it. So if you have more data, it will be better because the bar chart will become more dynamic. So that's how you can make your data stand out using the Canva bar chart trace. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.